Hey everyone, my name is Masa and I work for Lightly. In this very short tutorial, I want to show you how you can train your first few-shot classifier inside LightlyStudio. So, let's say I have a large data set. It can be a labeled or an unlabeled one. In my case, an unlabeled one. So basically, I don't have any labels yet, and I can just in a few very short steps mimic the process of labeling by training a few-shot classifier. So, let's say I want to train a few-shot classifier for an images of a dog. Basically, I want to get to a point where I will have a dog positive and dog negative label. And with LightlyStudio, you can train a very simple few-shot classifier in a few steps and get to this point. So let's give it a try. The first step is I need to pick positive examples. What are positive examples? Positive examples are images that are featuring the object of interest. In our case, this is a dog. So what I need to do is I need to pick images of dogs. And since I don't have any labels yet, I can't, filter by a label. However, I have this capability of using Lightly's semantic text search. So I will just use this search bar here, write a dog, and voila, I instantly get only the images that are, featuring a dog. Now that I came to this point, I just need to select a few positive examples, as I said. So images that are actually featuring a dog, and in this case, it's not a tough choice since all the images here are dog images. So let's select this one, and I guess this one and this one. So yeah, I selected basically 4 images now. Now, the next step is I go to the menu. Here on the top right, I click few-shot classifier. So as you can see, I have 4 samples selected, the 4 samples of our dog. Now I can create a new classifier. I will call it just simple dog classifier. And now the process is such. I already picked some positive examples, and now I just need to make sure that only the positive examples, so only the images featuring a dog, are chosen. So let's take a look, and yeah, I think this is okay. I click create classifier. Now, in the next step, I come to this loop, where I can refine my classifier. And I'm refining my dog classifier here as long as I want. And the goal is that I always keep just picking the positive examples, so images that are, featuring a dog, and that I don't pick any images that are not featuring a dog, so that the model will know what the positive example is, so what is an image featuring a dog, and what a negative example is, so what is an image that is not featuring a dog. So let's take a look. Okay, I think here we have a dog, we have a cat, so this one must not get picked. Okay, here is a cat, and let's unpick this one because this is a cat. Okay, this is cool. This is dog. Okay, dog. Okay, these are all dogs. That's great. Let's click refine classifier. Now let's just, I guess, give it a few more steps just to make our classifier more accurate. So basically just picking images of a dog. Again, one cat got here. Let's just unselect it. Dog, again a cat. Okay, dog. Okay, that's great. Okay, I think these are dogs. Let's click refine. And just for the sake of completeness, let's give it one more iteration. So basically, let's just see which positive examples are chosen. And yeah, I think this is okay. I want cat, but more or less it's quite nice now, right? So we can just click save classifier, and the classifier has been created successfully. Now what I'm able to do is I'm able to run the selected classifier. So in my case, I select the dog classifier, I click run, and now the classifier ran successfully. So basically I was able to obtain 2 labels, dog positive and dog negative. Let's take a look. So we are now back in our images view, the entire data set, as you can see. And let's say, for example, first I want to see the dog classifier positive example. So the image is featuring a dog, fingers crossed. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. As you can see, I will zoom in a bit. Actually, our model was able to learn just in a few steps, in like a minute or so. We just refined it 2 times, and yeah, basically, the images here are, more or less, featuring a dog. Still, there's some cats, but basically I'm trying to show you how you can very quickly mimic the process of labeling, by just selecting a few positive examples and getting to a point where you have a few-shot classifier trained, and you can get to the dog positive and dog negative label. And for example, here, if I unselect it and now click the negative examples, yeah, basically that's very cool. You can see now the images here are not featuring a dog, but are featuring everything else. So yeah, that's very, very cool. And that's all for how you can train a few-shot classifier inside LightlyStudio. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye!